Okay, here is week 4, part 2, the writing portion. So, just like every other week, we have reading and vocab week for lesson 1, and then we have grammar and writing for lesson 2. Overview video, that's what we're doing right now, so it's not there. It does say quiz. It's not a quiz, just a reminder. The way the Canvas is set up is that I have to build it like a quiz so that it's all on one page. If you were looking at lesson 1 for this week, I'm trying to make things a little bit more concise and condense in the actual instruction portion. And then all the videos that I'm supplying will be on the support page that will be in the week 4 module. So, tasks for week 4, lesson 2. We're going to look at grammar and take some notes there. We're going to answer some multiple choice questions that will be graded. And then we're going to have a writing response the same. It's a similar fashion as what we've had in the previous weeks. Required work, we got right there. As always, I just have this here. I would look at Grammarly and Google Docs, import those. Just have it copy and paste from Google Docs for the writing responses. Link right there. If need be, I will also try and make a video on how to add Grammarly to your Chrome browser. Slideshow notes. Here's some notes that you could take. The video of me going over these terms will be in the support page. But there's everything right there. Look how nice that looks. And if you look at the very end too, I added, we've already had writing and paragraph structure and MLA formatting. But when you're citing a poem...
Please excuse the interruption. At this time, I would like to announce... Come on down, get your business on. I'm Jim. Mr. C. Holmes says, come on.
Sorry.
New Jim.
Okay, so when we're looking at a short story, you cite and you use a quote a little bit differently than when you use a poem. So that's the breakdown right here. I'll have a video of better explanation. So we'll have some multiple choice questions for our assignment here. And then I want you to look at, for question 5, you're going to find 3 instances of repetition and then explain how does that show repetition in a complete sentence. So total, you should have at least 3 sentences for 3 ideas there. And then you just type here for the response. And then question 6 is right here. It's the writing prompt. So same thing as lesson 1. I have the poems right here embedded for you. So you don't even have to open it on another browser. It's just right there. And again, the line numbers are numbered for every 5 lines so that you can cite properly. And the prompt, choose one of these 5 poems. So just choose one and explain how the poet uses specific diction and imagery to develop the tone. And make sure you use specific examples and proper MLA format. So paragraph 1, explain how diction develops the poem's tone. So if you're looking at the 2 paragraphs, we're looking at 1 paragraph discussing diction, then 1 paragraph discussing imagery. Sentence frames right there provided. Paragraph 2, same thing. And I even added a quick little MLA guide. Your rubric is right there. Writing some things, so I'll be looking at evidence. That's another tab that we're adding for the rubric. And then you have the response right here, and always hit the submit button. If you have any questions, please feel free to meet me during our office hours. May it be the standard open conference, or if I've talked to you or emailed you, I would highly encourage you to go into the intervention time periods. That is it for week 4, lesson 2.